One of the hardest parts of growth is not the work, it's the misunderstanding. Yung pakiramdam na hindi ka na nila gets. Na para bang nag-iba ka raw. Na parang lumayo ka raw. Pero real talk, normal yan. Ito ang stoic reminder. Tandaan natin, if everyone understands you, you're probably not growing. May mga pagkakataon na pinili kong manahimik kahit mali ang kwento tungkol sa akin. O 'di ba? Hindi dahil wala akong sasabihin, kundi dahil hindi lahat ng paliwanag ay worth ng energy ko. Now, here's what growth really asks from us. Una, you accept that not everyone will come with you. Pangalawa, you stop shrinking just to stay relatable. And pangatlo, you trust that the right people will understand even without words. Pagkatandaan natin, expansion always creates friction. And friction is not failure. Hindi ka nagiging selfish, hindi ka nagiging cold, nagiging intentional ka lang. At kung may mga hindi makasabay, hayaan mo. Growth is not about being understood by everyone. It's about being true to who you're becoming. Relate ka ba? Consider following and subscribing for more real talk. Thank you for watching.